I'm Thomas. I'm product manager for digitalization at DyeMansion, and we are here at the DyeMansion booth as Formnext. We are introducing here the DyeMansion 360 digital services. These services offer digital products for the customer. The product family of 360 digital services are three products. So the first one is the DyeMansion Workflow Center. This Workflow Center offers the customer a browser-based application where he can analyze and monitor his machines. The second one is the DyeMansion Data Connect. It's a OPC UA data interface for the customer where he can easily connect to existing MES systems and can analyze the data by his own. And the third one is the remote service, which offers a secure VPN connection for the customer on-site for our service technicians to troubleshoot and doing software updates. The goal of all these applications is that we want to increase the uptime of our machines, to increase the performance of our machines, to help the customer to work better with our machines and to get more insights of the machines for us and for the customer. For a factory of the future, our services are very important because we need to exchange data from our machines to the other machines in the workflow, and with an MES, for example, to connect everything and to synchronize our machines and the data. I'm really excited about the feedback from our customers and partners about the new product and to see what they are thinking about, because we want to drive the digitalization forward with this product.